Hi there, and welcome to the Wisdom of Whitehawk, where the collective consciousness known to us as Whitehawk offers a bridge to find purpose and meaning in your life, to follow your path wherever it takes you, with loving guidance. Alan Herring channels Whitehawk, and Gail expands on the teachings. Enjoy this episode. So is what you're saying that we can actually make an intention during our waking hours to intend a better feeling vibration,
Yes.
but also during our dream state?
We can set that up, yes. It's been done, you've done it, but it is being mindful of it and doing it more often so that it becomes normal in your waking state and your sleeping state, in your meditative state. You can be in that state walking down a path, strolling on the beach, walking in the mountains, sitting and having a coffee. Yes.
And the intention would be for what?
A greater vibration to attract all the things that you want.
Okay.
Because vibration is key. And that all leads into, once you've got that vibration intention loop, it's a ball of energy. It's not a single loop, it's a ball that is pulsating with all the good things in life. And in that, with practice, like any practice, everything becomes clear. Clarity is key. So yeah, anytime. It becomes normal.
Well, we'll go out today with our intentions of a high vibration.
High vibration, great intentions equals.
And look for, what should we look for today?
Oh, synchronicity. I love synchronicity. I wear the coat of synchronicity, and that's just the sweetest thing. And if I can give out that vibration to you and Alan and the world, that's us talking to you. Numbers, letters, for you, your heart's in the sand. A smile from somebody, because you're shining the light and your vibration is held, and you're held in a floating, I see everything floating as opposed to walking heavily on the earth. Yeah, synchronicity is a great cloak to have. Not to look for it, it will come to you, and that'll be the conversation we're having with you.
We hope you enjoyed this episode. If you'd like to know more about the wisdom of Whitehawk, you can go to www.wisdomofwhitehawk.com. Thanks for joining us.